Hello, good evening, everybody. It looks like we have got decisions to make that we are a little bit confused or don't know what to do. And Archangel Michael says it will be all better if you just make a decision. We mustn't overanalyze problems. We must find a compromise or seek out other possibilities. Look for the magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions at this time. It's time for us to decide, says the unicorn spirit again. Make a decision now so you can move forward. Oh, sorry, that's our loved ones giving us that advice. And the fortune teller cards want us to know your spirit guides are near. Seek their guidance with these decisions that you have to make. The next is seek out information that can help you. There has been unsuccessful outcomes to problems, but things will not always be this way. Change is coming. We must persevere and we will overcome problems. We must know our own worth. They say that the divine is sending us help, and we get the yes card from our angels and spirit guides. They are with us, nudging us in the right direction, whatever we have to do today. There's great fortune coming our way, and new paths are opening up for us. The sun is going to shine for us again. We must embrace the in between and trust that we are being guided and we will receive the clarity very soon. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good evening. I love you all.